Unraveling the Phrase, Moonscape. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into a rather picturesque term, moonscape. By the end of this video, you'll understand its meaning, origin, and how to use it in different contexts. Moonscape is a compound word that consists of two parts, moon and scape. Moon, our natural satellite, the bright celestial body we see in the night sky. Scape, a suffix that refers to a view, scene, or expanse, such as in landscape or seascape. When combined, the term moonscape paints a vivid picture in our minds. But what does it really mean? Moonscape primarily refers to 1. The surface of the moon. Just like how a landscape is a stretch of land, moonscape can mean the visible surface of the moon with its craters, mountains, and plains. 2. A barren or desolate area on Earth. The term can also be metaphorically used to describe places on Earth that resemble the moon's barren surface. Think of deserts, wastelands, or any area devoid of life and vegetation. For example, the vast desert stretched before them, a haunting moonscape devoid of any life. 1. The astronauts were in awe of the moonscape as they landed on the lunar surface. 2. After the volcanic eruption, the once fertile valley transformed into a desolate moonscape. 3. The abstract painting depicted a surreal moonscape, blending both dream and reality. Remember, while moonscape literally relates to the moon's surface, it can also be a powerful metaphor in literature, art, and everyday conversations. And that's a wrap on the term moonscape. It's a word that not only takes us on a journey to the moon but also helps us describe certain terrains on our own planet. We hope this video has illuminated this term for you. Until next time, keep exploring and expanding your vocabulary.